Hello ladies and gentlemen, again welcome back to my channel where I provide summary of books. So in the previous video we covered with chapter 2 part 2 of the Rich Dad and Poor Dad. In this video I'm gonna cover with part 3 of chapter 2. So in the previous video we understood the core rule that demonstrate the difference between assets and liabilities and how the financial thinking pattern leads to the people to get trapped in the rat race. In this video we will go more deeper and understand the consequences of those wrong decisions, especially related with the home, liabilities and expenses. Now here the author argues that home is often not an asset, it's a liability because it takes the money out of your pocket like the other mortgage, taxes and maintenance. Emotional attachment to the home leads the people to make poor financial decisions. Now what are the consequences of this? People spend years paying for that home which they don't even fully own. Expenses are continued even after all loans are paid. Property value not guaranteed to rise. Money locked in home leads to the missed investment opportunities. Lack of investment skills leads to the lack of financial growth and financial learning. Loss of time where they could have invested in other asset which could have now grown up. Now, the saying of author is that you can invest in the asset which generate the income, and with that income you can afford your luxuries and home. Now, with the help of these diagrams, the author has tried to explain the financial statement of the rich dad and poor dad. You can easily compare the asset and liability column of both the dads. Now you can see that rich dad is having small liability column compared than the poor dad. Now it does not mean that rich dad is having small or less liabilities compared than the poor dad. It means that rich dad has made his asset column that much bigger which can handle the liability expenses, and in opposite hand the poor dad has not built his asset column that much big which can handle the liability expenses. And this is the reason where the rich become rich and the middle class struggles.